Lovelies, how can you fully turn smartphone into a full-time income? Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and instead of just scrolling, you are actually making money. This is what I do on a daily basis. In today's video, I'll show you how people all over the world are replacing a 9 to 5 hour job with just their smartphone and how you can do the same. I know it is not simple, but you can do it. Here is the truth. Over 6.9 billion people worldwide, they own smartphones. That's nearly 86% of the global population with phones. And according to reports, the gig economy is expected to reach over 455 US dollars billion in 2025. What does this mean to you guys? It means that millions of people, just like you and me, are already making money using nothing but their phones through content creation, through freelancing, online sales, digital platforms, and many more others. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. This is a disclaimer, you guys. This video is purposely for educational purposes. 10% is what I give you because I've used it. 90% research about it. See if you can apply it. And go ahead. Why not? If others can do, why not? Why not you? Meanwhile, this is a mind-blowing video that you will sit down and really know that you can fully turn your smartphone into a full-time job. Guys, I know that my voice is a bit down, is a bit cracking because of flu, but hope you get me very well. The best part in this topic today is that you don't need a fancy degree, no guys. You don't need big investment, or you don't even need anything to invest in, or you don't need these laptops that have come out recently. If you have a smartphone, you have internet connection, you are ready to start. Are you there with your smartphone? It's you I'm talking with right now. So I'm going to break down the most practical and proven ways to turn your smartphone into a full-time job. When we started this channel, you remember we used to bring for you apps and very many things, but I know there are some people who cannot go extra mile to go and sit on these apps, to go and sit on very many things that might not give you results immediately. So we bring for you the practical things that are real practical that you can use. So the main thing is, one, we have freelancing on your smartphone, you guys. That is the most practical way you can do. Like, for example, how do you do freelancing? Freelancing, you can do it with your smartphone at the comfort of your home, either with these different platforms that I'm going to be showing you. We have like Upwork, we have like Fiverr, TopTal. These ones all allow you to do services directly from your phone. And which services do you do freelance? You can do freelancing in writing, in translation, graphic design, even video editing. If you didn't know do you know that the average freelancer earn around $20 an hour online? Yes, if you didn't know. With just a few hours in a day, that's a full-time salary without leaving your home for somebody. So you can stand up and say, I'm going to do freelancing. Freelancing on smartphone, I'm giving it around 75% out of 100 because of the nature of the population that especially that are following me. If you're someone who is a bit so not fierce, you might not do this. That's why I've given it to that max. The second one is content creation. Content creation, I'm going to give it 95 out of 100. Social media is where the money is, you guys, if you don't know this. With Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, YouTube long videos, people are earning thousands per month by posting content from their phones. For example, creators on Facebook like me can earn from stars, can earn from subscription, can earn from ads, and even short form videos in exploding right now. This one, you can go and post and start earning provided you meet the threshold. If you enjoy being creative, this one of the fast growing and fastest way to earn money when you want to make it a full-time career. Let's see the third one. Online tutoring and digital skills is the third one. I'm going to give it 89 out of 100. With learning apps like Preply, Cambly, or even WhatsApp classes, you can teach languages, you can teach skills or knowledge from your phone. Did you know that online teaching is expected to grow 14% annually by the end of 2025? That's a huge opportunity for you to turn what you already know into steady income. If you want to learn, if you want a masterclass, please DM me on my WhatsApp and I'll take you through on a cost. The fourth one is e-commerce and marketplace selling. What do we mean by marketplace selling and e-commerce? On this one, it involves trading, of course, and you don't need a shop, you don't need merchandise, you only need your phone to be your store. Through platforms like Facebook, Marketplace, even Instagram, you can access shops or you can own shops. People are selling products every day. One report shows that nearly 40% of US dollars and even people with US internet, they are using to buy directly from Facebook Marketplace every year. If you can source or create items, you can sell them full-time right from your phone, at the comfort of your home, or at the comfort of wherever you are. The fifth and last way of making money with making money with your smartphone is passive income with digital products. Digital products are a game changer if you didn't know that. Recently, I have someone who is making for me, he contacted me about thumbnail and I was paying him $1.5 per day. That is damn much money. Why? Because $1.5, if you convert it to your own currency, and remember when you have a template you only need to pray around it. The digital products are becoming good and they are game changing. They are changing the lives of people. That's why I call it a game changer. Think about ebooks, think about templates, think about stock photos. Okay, let's go to courses. You can create once on your smartphone and sell it repeatedly on different platforms. You will ask yourself, where are these platforms? We have platforms like Gumroad, Amazon Kindle, we have Etsy, digital downloads, and many more. Many people are earning around $5,000 per month in passive income this way. So there is no excuse. You have a smartphone, you have internet or data, and you say, I have no salary. No way. Time is now, not yesterday, and tomorrow will be late. It's today. Just make up your mind. You guys, here is the bottom line. Your smartphone is no longer just for texting or scrolling. It's a powerful business tool. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, teaching, selling, or digital products, you have multiple ways, different streams of income to make a full-time income online. So if you're here now and you've been asking yourself, can I really quit my 9 to 5 job with just my phone? The answer is yes. But only it takes you action. Start with one method today, stay consistent, and let your smartphone become your career. Thank you very much. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried or if you're thinking of trying this. Bye-bye.